Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more points if you are looking to participate in the Linea Airdrop. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to try to do this as fast as I can. This is basically a heads up for those of you who are doing the Linea Park tasks and quests in order to qualify for the Linea Airdrop. And I almost completed probably 70% of those tasks, and I just found out that some of them are worth a lot more than the other, and it's been like trudging through mud trying to complete that quest. So if you're going to be focusing in a few of them and this Linea Park is about to end, I'm going to show you which ones I found that will grant you a lot more experience points, so you can do those first if you have been finding this kind of slow and cumbersome. So let's go to the browser and I'll show you which ones I found out. So by now all of the, let's say, the parks within the Linea Park have been open except for this one, and I don't know what this is, but the rest of them have been open. Some of them are kind of horrible. You need to download stuff, play games for ages, and those ones I decided to skip. I don't have time to spend 3 hours playing a game just to get a few experience points. So what I found is that some of these ones on the upper right hand are really easy to complete, and they will grant you like twice or even 3 times as much as the other ones. So like action and strategy, they will grant you between 15 and 20 experience points each one. That is without doing the extra tasks, which I have not been doing. But the ones in the upper right hand, mini game gala, are really easy. You don't need to download those games, and they will grant you between 30 and 40, even 45, I remember well, experience points. So if you have been trying to complete this and you have been procrastinating, which is my case, well, I've been on vacation, but anyway, I've been trying to do one of this a day, and I will focus more on those that will get you more points. Now the trick is, how do you know how many experience points you're going to get? Well, actually you have to go ahead and click on each one and start doing those quests, but since there are so many, that by itself it would take you a lot of time. So that's why I'm trying to save you time by telling you these ones on the upper right hand, which are the mini game gala, are going to provide you, there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times an average of 30. That's going to be a lot of experience points. So I would say out of all the points I have tried to complete within this Linea Park, probably some 25% have come only from this upper right hand. So that's what I wanted to tell you. I'm on vacation. I'm trying to make some videos that are useful to you and that will qualify you for the airdrop. Now there is news that there is a new Linea Voyage, and I'm gonna do a video next about that. So it seems that these projects are trying to farm us. However, guys, on the upper side, on the upper hand, this will exclude whales, because if you and I do not have time to spend in doing all these silly quests, well, some of them are silly, some of them are okay. Imagine whales holding millions of dollars. They will not do that, which means that you and I will be getting more of the airdrop. So I hope this video was useful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Startup Central, where we keep talking about airdrops and in general how to make money in crypto. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.